Hey family, welcome back to Rooted Vines. I'm Maya, your herbal alchemist, and today I just wanted to drop a video because I haven't dropped one in a while. I guess there goes my do a video every day thing, right? Gotta be graceful with yourself and give yourself compassion. That's all I could do, y'all. Look, today we're going to talk about a basil floor wash. I don't know how many of you grow basil, but I grow basil and I use it in different ways. One way I do use it is basil floor wash. It's a great way to bring in prosperity and healing into your home. And I'm also going to pair it with, you know what? Inner alchemy. So come along. I kind of threw this video together. I'm not really good at editing, so y'all please forgive me and just enjoy the message. All right, here we go. You guys, there's something sacred about tending to our spaces the way that we tend to our spirit. So today I wanted to show you how to make a simple yet powerful basil floor wash. Yes, an oldie but a goodie, passed down through the ages to welcome prosperity, protection, and peace into your home. I started with fresh basil from my own pots, nurtured, grown, and now ready to serve in a different way. After cleaning and drying the leaves, I simply poured boiling water over them in a glass jar, sealing them in their essence as they steeped and cooled. And you guys, you can put as much basil as you want or as little basil as you want. This process is more than just a preparation. It's an infusion of intention, you guys, allowing the basil to release its energy just as we release what no longer serves us in our own journeys. Once cooled, and it will take some time to cool, I poured the basil infusion into a bucket of hot water, adding just a touch of Dawn soap, because both spiritual and physical cleaning go hand in hand. So today I'm focusing on my front door area, the threshold between the outer world and the sanctuary within. In inner alchemy, our surroundings are a reflection of our inner state. When we cleanse with purpose, we shift the energy around us, making space for healing and abundance. The scent of basil is subtle, but the more you use, the more its presence is felt, just like any practice of self-transformation. If using this as a floor wash, I suggest doing your usual cleaning first, allowing the floor to dry or your walls to dry, and then going over it with the basil infusion. This ensures that the energy of your space is not just clean, but it is consecrated with intention of happiness, protection, and prosperity. With each sweep of the mop or each rub of the rag, I set my intention and pray to clear away any stagnation, to welcome in fresh energy, and to align my home with the harmony I seek within myself. Alchemy isn't just about transformation in theory. It's about the small, mindful actions we take to turn the ordinary into something sacred. May your space be filled with warmth, abundance, and a little extra magic. Stay rooted, family.